Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be playing with the I Heart Revolution X Dr. Seuss collection. Again, yes, I was asked to do another video from a few of you guys, so we're going in again and I'm excited. So again, we've still got the crayons, we've got the palettes. If you haven't seen my first video, I go through all of these. But I'm not going to obviously do that today. I'm just going to jump straight on into it and we're just going to go. Of course, I've got the glosses as well. I'll probably use this gloss today, as in the first video I did use this one. I love this one. I think it's beautiful. But yeah, today I'll try and use this one. Yeah, I don't really know what to do today because I've seen the first look I did like a pinky orangey look. I want to go in with some other colours today. Obviously, there's a lot of like... I can't even open the palette. I'm scared to open this one as well because it's the one that's broken. Obviously, there's like this green shade here. I think that would be really cute. So do I use the green? I'm feeling the green, the blue maybe, something like that. And also we've got this palette as well. Obviously, there's not a lot of matte to kind of go in with, mainly like neutral tones. So I'll probably do, again, more of like a neutral crease. And then we'll go in with couple of different lid shades. I might use one of the crayons again, but yeah, so what I'm going to quickly do is I'm just going to prime my lid, zoom you guys in, and we're just, yeah, going to jump straight into it. Jumping in, oh, I don't really know what to do. I just closed my palettes again as well, and I shouldn't have closed my palettes. Oh, let me open them back up, especially the one that is like, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Other Places You'll Go palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade here. So I'm trying not to like get eyeshadow everywhere because yeah, my shades are falling apart. So I'm just going into the orange shade first. I know that I did use orange in the first one, but obviously there's not, yeah, I don't really like that cool toned purple kind of shade. That's not my vibe. It's not what I'm going for. So yeah, but we're just going with the orange again. I like this shade as well. I have to say the formula on these has actually been really nice. I haven't used the full collection since filming my last video. I have only used one of the glosses, not the pink one, the one that I'd used in my first video. I just really like that gloss. I just think it is beautiful. And I actually used it on top of a red like lipstick and it looked so pretty. I kind of want to go into the peach, which is the shade that's broken. So I think I might take a little bit of that as well. I'm going to go into that peachy shade. Oh, very nice. I don't know how well it's going to like blend out that first shade, but because mine is broken, I'm having to be like very careful with it. It's a very nice shade though. I might need to go in with like a lighter like cream kind of shade just to help kind of blend this. Yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the Revolution Matte Base powder, literally just going in with the same brush, and I'm just going to like buff this around the edges. It's really like stuck and got more like pigmented at the edges. Let me just go back into the orange again and like build that up. I can't lie guys, I don't actually know what I'm doing. I might have to nip into the green eggs and ham palette and just take a little bit of this orange just to kind of like deepen it up. So I'm just taking that just to kind of see if that kind of like helps. Helps it out at all. Yes, I literally have, I kind of have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of just going with the flow. I find it quite difficult, obviously, with there not being a lot of mattes and with the majority of the mattes being orangey yellow tones. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. But I kind of feel like, because I only have these two palettes, my resources are limited. Yes, I got over that. I'll just go back into the peachy shade again. Hopefully. I don't know what's going on, but it's like really clinging to this patch here. I feel like it's just my eyes at the minute. My eyes are just not, they are just not great. Don't mind the edges. I'm just gonna go back into the cream shade and just blend it out. It's very like obviously light. The look, I mean. There's not a lot of like depth to it, but yeah. I'm gonna go into, I don't really know what green, I kind of want to go into a green. That's beautiful. Do we just go in with that green shade? I'm feeling to literally just go into that green shade, which is the, from this palette, this one here. Again, I'm sorry, trying not to tilt it too much. I'm gonna grab a brush. Wow, that's a nice shade. I want to have a look at that green crayon and kind of see what that's saying. I like this shimmer though, it's nice. That's nice. I wonder if I could do like a green wing with it almost. What do you guys think? Do you think I should try? I don't really know if it's actually doing anything, to be honest with you. I'm trying to do a green liner moment, but it's almost like just not showing up, like... Is it me? I don't really know if it's me. I just need to warm it up a little bit, maybe? But like, look at it there, like... Is it because it's sitting on top of that orange? I don't feel like the orange is letting it live its full potential. I don't really know what to kind of do now. Do you think I should top it with like a silver? That's the silver. Do you think I should go in with the silver? I don't know. I don't really know what to do, to be honest. I mean, I don't really, like I said, I don't really want to go in with a gold or like an orange. There's the blue. I'm not feeling the blue. I'm not feeling the blue for this look. It might have to be that I go in with the silver, but I just don't really know if that's gonna ruin the vibe. Have a little look. I don't know. I'm not feeling this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not feeling it. I'm going back in with the green, if you can't tell. But yeah, it's just like... No. No, no, no. It's like you just can't see the green. I don't know whether it's just because it's me or like... Like when I swatch it, it looks so good. Then why doesn't it look like that on my eye? I don't really get it. I don't really get it. And then this bit up here is really bothering me. Oh, I'm just not having it. It's just not it today, guys. Let me just tell you, it's just clearly it's not it. I'm hoping when I get my lashes on and stuff, it'll look thickening. Do you think I need to go around the outside of like the cut crease area with the green? Just like a little bit. Yeah, that looks cute, doesn't it? You know, I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I'm gonna go ahead, just do this eye off camera, and then I'll do my base. I might come back and I might try the bronzer from like this side, but I'm not too sure. It could be that I just don't even use this at all. I mean, I do like it. I do like the blusher kind of side, but I'll just see how I feel. If I don't, then we'll just come back and I'll of course use the pinky gloss. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, just do the rest of my base, do this eye, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I have already done like my blusher and bronzer, so I didn't use the Fox in the Socks palette. But yeah, we're gonna go straight into the gloss now. So I'm gonna take Fox in the Socks lip gloss. I have lined my lips. I just used the Soph lip liner. She had like a lip kit which had this and then a lip balm. This is like the more pinky nudie kind of shade. So yeah, I'm not happy with how my lips are just not looking the best. I'm gonna go into the gloss. So this is the Fox and Socks gloss. I did swatch this in my first video. Oh, I have to say these glosses smell amazing. I like this one. Okay, so round 2 for using this collection. What do I think? I still really like it. I still think it's a great collection. The glosses, probably my absolute favourites from the collection. I absolutely love these. I love the pink one as well. I think it's beautiful. They just feel nice and comfortable. They don't feel too sticky. I just really like them. So yeah, speaking of the eyeshadow palettes, I still really like the eyeshadow palettes. I still think they are stunning. Obviously, you did use both of them today. I really do like them. For me, it was just, there's just not a lot of mattes. Obviously, it's the small palettes. There's not going to be too many. Again, my shade's still broken, so yeah. But yeah, the shimmer, stunning. The mattes still work well. I did have a bit of a problem with the pinky peach shade. I think it's just me. I don't think it's the shade. per se. So yeah, and they still worked amazingly, built up, blended out beautifully. The shimmer, really liked it. The crayon, it swatched beautifully on the back of my hand, but then trying to apply it on top of a eyeshadow, it just kind of, I mean, it's obviously, it still worked, but it took some time. And when I did it on this eye, which is this little eye that I did it off camera, it kind of started to pull up like some of the eyeshadow. So yeah, I did have a little bit of a difficulty there, but it still looks beautiful and it has done the job. But I would just be wary about how it's going to work on top of other eyeshadows, because that's a problem I had. I didn't have it with the first one that I did, but I don't really know. I don't think I applied it straight on top of an eyeshadow. Oh no, I think I did. Yeah, so that gold one, that worked fine, but then this green one, yes, obviously I did use the silver to kind of, I felt like the silver did kind of work with me popping that on and then popping the green back on top. But yeah, I'm not mad. Overall, I'm not mad at the look. I'm not mad at it. So yeah, obviously I didn't use the Fox in the Socks face palette. I do still like it. Again, it's just one of them products that I just wouldn't particularly reach for myself, with it being like quite a deep kind of palette. I think it's still beautiful, but again, not something that I'd reach for on every day, which is why I didn't want to use it today. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Of course, everything else I'm wearing on my face, I'll of course link in the description box down below. I really hope this has helped you decide whether you think you need the collection or not. Again, if you do want me to do another look using the collection, of course, just let me know, because of course I can do that for you guys. But yeah, if you did like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!